Hey, you think you're ready for your SteerCo meeting? Let's make sure. I'm Stuart Taylor, and every day I make videos about project management. Today we're going to make a countdown checklist of the days leading into your next SteerCo. 4 days before the SteerCo, get someone to review your pack and its attachments. 3 days before your SteerCo, review your own pack and note 2 or 3 items per page that you're going to talk to. That's just to stop you from sitting there reading the slides, which is really boring. 2 days before the SteerCo, publish the pack and any other content. 1 day before the SteerCo, ask the quorum members and any presenters to confirm their attendance or to notify you who their empowered deputies are. Keep an eye on the outcomes of this. If delegates start inviting other people, you may need a bigger meeting room. Day of the SteerCo, 4 hours before the meeting, if people are coming to attend the meeting face to face, print copies of the pack and attachments. Then go and check your laptop and any devices are working properly with the meeting room screens. Any glitches? Get someone to come and fix them. 3 hours before the SteerCo, make sure you got your own physical copy of the pack for your own notes and doodles. 2 hours before the SteerCo, if you've got anyone assisting you in the presentation or taking notes, check they're still available and ready. 1 hour before the SteerCo, check the meeting room is clean and doesn't smell like a pair of used socks. 5 minutes before the SteerCo, occupy the room, place packs conveniently near the door for collection as delegates arrive, bring pens just in case, bring a glass of water. Better still, bring a jug and a few spare glasses. 2 minutes before the SteerCo, open the teleconference lines. 1 minute before the SteerCo, start recording. I've already mentioned in another video the benefits of recording meetings, so go and check that video out. And then it's showtime. Did I miss anything? Put it in the comments, and I'll see you next time.